Hello everybody, I'm InTheLittleWood, also known as Martin. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Fortnite. So, let's not dilly-dally. Here is where you can find all of the chilly gnomes for the week 6 challenge. First and foremost, you want to make your way down to the very southern part of the map, and there are 2 to find here. First and foremost, you want to head a little bit east of Happy Hamlet, stay along that coastline, and just by the chest that's on the hill, a little bit south of the old Flush Factory building where you can see the parachute, there is a chilly gnome hanging out right there. Now, if you go all the way over to the western side of that same coast, you'll know that little den. You know the little den where Trog hides in the future wallpapers. If you go inside of that hole, there's a chilly gnome chilling out right there. Next up, you want to start heading north and make your way to Polar Peak, but not to the actual point of interest itself. Just a little bit southeast of that, still on the large mountain, there's that one lone tower, which is right by the 2 zip lines. Head over there, and another gnome is chilling out right there. From here, you want to go slightly northeast, all the way up to that large tree, which is by the bridge. You know the bridge that connects you over as if you were headed towards Fatal Fields? That massive tree, at the base of it, there's another gnome. So then they start to get a little bit scattered. For our next one, you want to make your way over to the Christmas house. This is the house that actually has a Christmas tree within it. It's kind of by itself, a little bit north of Frosty Flights. If you go ever so slightly north of there, into the tree line, there's another gnome. And if you continue north of there, all the way up to Viking Village, on the high rise of that town or village, on the eastern side, there's another gnome right there. And then finally, you want to zip your way all the way over towards Tilted Towers. On that hill that is on the southern end of the town, basically where you can grab the quad crasher. Right next to that, there is your 7th and final gnome. Other than that, if you want to go ahead and find yourselves this week's banner icon instead of a free battle pass tier, then you want to make your way down into the desert biome. And in the southeastern corner, you've got that large tower, which is relatively close to what we like to call Westworld. If you go to the top of that, basically there's that crown of cars, which is from a previous challenge, and right in the center of it is where you should be able to find it. So leave a like on the video if you found this helpful. My supporter creator code, if you want to say thank you, is InTheLittleWood, so pop it into your shop, and I get a couple of quid every time you buy some stuff in store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.